Hello guys and welcome to my channel. I'm Mario and I'm today presenting you the new iPhone 14 Pro Max. This phone was released now almost 1 month, so end of August. For the first time, this is my first time iPhone ever. I never had one before. That's why it's so special. I owned more flagship like the 4, the 8 from Samsung and recently the 10. Plus, but now I saw the new iPhone 14 Pro Max and it blew my mind away. Always on display because dynamic island. I wanted to say Love Island, sorry. This is the 256 gigabyte storage. So of course I have here the charger as well. So let's go for unboxing, right? Whoa! Holy gosh, guys, I think you can see here the purple, right? If you can see the purple, oh my god, it looks amazing. We go for the charger later. All right, so we go for the charger later. Wow, I'm shaking. My first time iPhone ever. Oh my god, what a beauty, what a beauty. Let's do the ASMR, right? The peeling, like the first time ever. Satisfying. Of course, the purple sign, so beautiful. Wow. Let's start it. The Apple sign. Hello. It's really stunning, guys. And of course, what we had here next, we had the lightning cable, like you usually know. I have the charger. I bought it separately because of course you have to pay separately. In Europe it's USB-C. I don't know how it's in US. I guess the same. Wow, the iPhone, guys, I'm stunned, honestly. The cable, you can see, very nice. And we have here the key, so some manuals, and we have the key because in Euro we have still a SIM card. So yeah, let's try it. Take it down. We're gonna open the phone today. The SIM card, and of course here the Apple logo and some paperwork from them, you know, usually what you can find. See the charger as well. Let's unbox the charger as well. Let's see how it's looking, the charger. Oh, here's our charger. So nice. Wow, I think this is the, I'm gonna tell you now, guys. Wow, so easy to take out. Cool. Do a little bit satisfying stuff. Wow. And this is the charger. Guys, thank you for being here. See you later. This was my review. Please don't forget to click that like button and subscribe, and thank you for being here, guys. See you in another video. Peace.